In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot issues with your Amazon Prime benefits. Perhaps you've subscribed, but noticed that some or all of your Prime features aren't working as they should. Don't worry. We're going to walk through a detailed troubleshooting guide together to help identify and resolve these issues. Let's get started with our first set of actions, which revolves around verifying your Prime membership status. Begin by logging into your Amazon account. Once there, navigate to the Your Account section and look for Your Prime Membership. It might be listed a little differently depending on any updates Amazon may have made, but it should be something along those lines. Here, you'll want to make sure that your membership is currently active. It's crucial that the payment for your membership has successfully processed. If there's any indication of a pending or failed status, that issue needs to be addressed right away, as this can directly impact access to your benefits. Next, let's turn our attention to your network and region settings. First, you'll want to test your internet speed. Amazon generally recommends a minimum speed of around 5 Mbps for HD streaming, and you'll need more for a smooth 4K experience. Should you find that your speed is lagging, it might be time to troubleshoot your internet connection or even reach out to your service provider. Additionally, if you're using a VPN or proxy server, it could be causing some problems. It's a good idea to disable these, as Amazon can restrict benefits or streaming if there's an issue with region detection. Similarly, make sure that the country or region listed in your Amazon account matches your current location, or at least supports Prime benefits. This is crucial in ensuring everything operates smoothly. If you've made it this far and everything checks out, let's clear the app's cache and data. Sometimes, stored data and cache on your devices can interfere with the proper function of apps, including Amazon Prime. Also, ensure you're signing into the exact account with the Prime membership. It might seem basic, but it's an easy oversight when trying to juggle multiple accounts. If none of these steps solve the problem, it's time to contact Amazon support. When you reach out to them, make sure to provide the email address associated with your Amazon account, the date of your last successful payment, details on the type of device you're experiencing issues with, and which specific benefits aren't working. Lastly, request their help in verifying your membership status and region eligibility to make sure everything aligns properly. By following these troubleshooting steps, you should be well on your way to resolving any issues with your Amazon Prime benefits. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope it helps get everything back on track for you.